Hi, I'm Tom Nolle, president of CIMI Corporation. If you've been in IT as long as I have, and in networking as long as I have, you can probably remember the time when there was a separation between these two functions, and when both of these functions were valued and powerful in the management structure of a typical enterprise. What we're seeing recently is a change in that, and it's a change that's come about over years, but accelerated in the last couple years. The primary driver of the change has been the fact that intrinsically the network serves IT resources, meaning you deliver stuff that's produced in a data center to a worker's computer. And so that tends to slave network policy to IT policy, and that's a reasonable thing in a planning and policy sense. But in a technology sense, network planning has always been independent. What's changing that now is really the cloud, because in the cloud we have management interfaces to control virtual storage, virtual servers, and increasingly virtual networks. And these virtual network management interfaces, like OpenStack's quantum interface, are providing for the first time a mechanism for direct control of the network by the cloud. And things like software-defined networking are really driven toward creating a framework of network features that can be cloud controlled more effectively, and setting up virtual network models that can be stamped out by cloud software almost like a cookie cutter from some kind of generic infrastructure. All of these things are really making a one-world environment, and something like that is threatening to a lot of the network types. But it also is potentially empowering, because the real value of the network is its ability to make a worker productive, and that value is created by software and IT. A better partnership between software and networking is probably good for us all. Thank you. I'm Tom Nolle.